Hello students, this video is an initiative of Aspi Nutan Academy to collaborate with its young enthusiastic learners. We hope you will enjoy the same. Today we bring to you the story of the red rose. Once upon a time, a red rose bloomed in a garden with other trees and plants. Look at that red rose. It is so beautiful. It's just perfect. I wish even I had a beautiful flower. How do you say that? Everyone has their own good quality. It is true. I am the most beautiful. There is nothing as beautiful as me. I don't know what am I doing in this garden. Look around. Look at the cactus there. So hard and thorny. I am going to try and move away from it right now. Oh. The wise sunflower heard whatever the rose had to say. The rose tried a lot but could not move away from the cactus. Oh, you are so proud of yourself, but you forgot that you have thorns too. One day you will learn to appreciate others for what they are. It is okay, sunflower. There is no need to get angry about what the rose says. The summer season started. The wind was warm. It was dry and hot with no sign of rain. The rose was the most affected by the lack of water. But it often saw birds go to the cactus and dig into it with their beaks. What are they doing to the cactus? The cactus has water stored in its leaves. The birds are drinking the water from it. Doesn't it hurt? It does. But the cactus doesn't mind. I know you are very thirsty. Maybe you can ask him too. Humbled by what it had just learnt, the rose asked the cactus if it could give some water too. I am very thirsty. May I please have some water? Of course. Why didn't you ask me earlier? The birds will bring it to you in their beaks. Oh, thank you so much. The rose's pride was now broken. It accepted the water from the cactus and changed the way he behaved with other plants. After the story, it is now time to answer some questions. Kids, which plants did we see in the garden? Yes, we saw the rose, the cactus, and the sunflower plants in the garden. Who was boastful among all the plants? The rose was the boastful among all the other plants in the garden. Which plants in the garden had thorns on it? Exactly, the rose and the cactus both had thorns on it. Which plant stores water in it? Yes, the cactus stores water in its leaves. Kids, are we supposed to boast about the things we have or the things we do? No, we have to be humble in all that we do and help all the needy ones. We hope you like the story. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.